Now I would like to explain you how to find the GMs, that is geometric means. As in arithmetic progressions, I have told you what is the way, what is the formula, what is the approach to calculate the arithmetic means. But here I will explain you how to find the geometric means between two given numbers. Suppose if I have a number A, another number I have B, in between these two, I want to insert n number of geometric mean. And number of geometric mean means from A to B and with these n terms, the entire is geometric progression. If we multiply A by R, first geometric mean will be AR. Second geometric mean will be AR square. Next geometric mean will be AR cube. Nth geometric mean will be ARN. Always remember first geometric mean. GM number 1 is AR. GM number 2 is AR square. Nth GM is ARN. So you can count there are n geometric means. A is one of the terms, so till this step number of terms become n plus 1, and if I include even B, we will get from A to B there are in all n plus 2 terms, because n are GMs, A is one of the number, B is the last number. So what we can say the position of B is n plus 2th term, that is A into common ratios to the power n plus 2 minus 1. As we know, an is given by ARN minus 1. So B is on the n plus 2th position. So it will be AR n plus 2 minus 1. So if I transfer this A here, this become B upon A is equals to R is to power n plus 1. So answer of R become B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. Very important result. Always remember, if you want to insert an arithmetic and geometric means between A and B, then the common ratio of that will be R is equals to B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. But in case of the finding arithmetic means, formula for the common difference was B minus A upon n plus 1. Here it is B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. Now I am taking one example where we will find how to insert the geometric means between given two numbers. The question is insert 3 GMs between 1 and 256. So answer of n, how many GMs we would like to insert is 3. Between which numbers? A 1 and B 256. We would like to insert 3 GMs between 1 and 256. Result, R's formula is told you R is equals to B upon A to power 1 upon n plus 1. So common ratio, B is 256, A is 1, that's to the power 1 upon n plus 1 means 1 upon 4. So we can say the ratio of R is 256, that's 4th root, that is the answer 4. Because 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 times gives us 256. First GM, we know that first GM is given by A into R. A is 1, R is obtained 4, so this is 4. Second GM is given by A into R square, that is 1 into 4 square, that is 16. Third GM is given by A into R cube, that is 1 into 4 cube, that is 64. So there is a method, formula and answers. 3 GMs between 1 and 256 are 4, 16 and 64. We can write 1 and 256 and the GMs between these numbers have been 4, 16 and 64. You can say If we multiply 64 by 4, again we will get 256. And when we divide 4 by 4, we will get the previous term, first term, that is 1. So this is approach of finding the GMs between any two numbers. And always remember, the arithmetic mean is always more than the geometric mean between two numbers. If there are two numbers a and b, their AM is a plus b and GM is root AB. How we can say AM is always more than the GM? If we multiply 2, I will say it is a plus b is greater than 2 root AB. When this 2 root AB is shifted to left side, this will be minus 2 root AB. That is a plus b minus 2 root AB greater than 0. This result a plus b minus 2 root AB is clear cut whole square of root a minus root b whole square is 0. As whole square is always 0, so it means that this is a true fact, as it is the whole square of root a minus root b. This is true, this is true, this is true. So obviously we can conclude AM between two numbers is always greater than the geometric mean between the same numbers.